topic is addressing modes in 8085. In 8085, that is hardware. In case of microprocessor, instructions are in assembly level languages. These are assembly level language instructions which are not understandable by microprocessor, as microprocessor only understands binary language, that is in terms of 0 and 1. So, these instructions are converted into binary language, also called as machine level language. These assembly level language instructions are divided into three formats: 1 byte instructions, 2 byte instructions, and 3 byte instructions. As you can see in the figure, if the instructions are 1 byte, that means only opcode is stored, operand is absent, or no need of any operand, or implicitly it is instructed in opcode what to do. For example, CMA, that is complement accumulator. Opcode is operational code. In 2 byte instructions, first byte opcode is stored, and in second byte 8-bit data or address or operand is present. For example, MVI A,01H. Third byte instruction or 3 byte instructions. That means in the first byte opcode is stored. In the second byte, data or address of lower byte is stored. And in the third byte instruction or 3 byte instruction, data or address of higher byte is stored. For example, LDA, that means load accumulator. Next is there. These are direct addressing, register addressing, register indirect addressing, immediate addressing, and implicit or implied addressing. So we will see one all direct addressing mode. These are generally 3 byte instructions. For example, LDA2520H or STA06C2H. In direct addressing mode, the address of operand is specified within the instruction itself. The meaning of this example is LDA2520H. That means to load the accumulator from the memory location or the contents of memory location 2520H. H is hexadecimal. Or another command is STA06C2H. That means store the contents of accumulator at memory location 06C2H. So this is about direct addressing mode. Generally these are 1 byte instructions. That means 8-bit instructions. Here register name is specified within the instruction itself, or this is also called as register to register transfer, where address is not required. For example, move A, C. That means to move the contents of register C to register A. Another example is add C. That means to add the contents of register C in accumulator. A or accumulator is not mentioned here, but it is there. Register indirect addressing mode. Here Register pair is specified for addressing 16-bit address of memory location. Generally, these are 1-byte instruction commands. For example, add M or move A, M. The meaning of M is not register, but it is memory location. Memory location whose address is stored in HL pair. Here in the figure you can see in HL pair right hand side, in H register 52 is stored, in L register C5 is stored. So memory location is stored in HL pair. The contents of memory location 52C5H, these contents will be transferred to accumulator. Instruction is immediate addressing. Generally, these are 1 or 2-byte instructions. Here, 8-bit or 16-bit data is directly transferred to register or register pair. That means if 8-bit data is there, that 8-bit data will get transferred in a register. If the data is 16-bit, then it will get transferred in register pair. For example, MVI B55H. Here 55H, that is 55, is 8-bit data which will get transferred in register B. Whereas in another example, LXI H 52C5H. Here 52C5 is 16-bit data which will get transferred in HL register pair. Addressing mode is implicit addressing mode. These are 1-byte instructions. Address of data is contained with the opcode itself and operand is absent. So this is about implicit addressing. The examples of these are CMA, that means complement the contents of the accumulator. So 8-bit accumulator contents will get complemented. If 0 is present, it will get replaced by 1. If 1 is present, it will get replaced by 0. Another example is STC, that means set carry. That means carry is equal to 1. It will get 1